Hey everyone, welcome to another video. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the image playground not working on your iPhone. So let's get started. First, make sure you have a compatible device like iPhone 15 Pro, iPhone 15 Pro Max, iPhone 16 any model. Your phone also needs to be updated to iOS 18.3 or newer. To check, go to the settings of your phone, tap the general option here and you can see the software update option. Tap on it. If any update is available, just update it. Once updated, the image playground should automatically appear. If you don't see it, swipe to the last page of your apps and search for playground like this. If it's still not there, open the App Store, search for image playground like this here and download the Apple version. Next, check that Apple Intelligence is turned on. For this, go to the settings of your phone and search for Apple Intelligence and ensure it's activated. You may need to join a waitlist if it's not available yet. Also, make sure your phone's region is set to the United States and the language to English. For this, go to the settings on your phone, tap the general option from there and scroll down and find the language region option and tap it and set to the United States here. If that's all set, make sure you have enough storage. Go to settings. For this, tap general option from here and you can see the iPhone storage option. Tap on it. You need at least 5 GB of free space to install the app. If you are still having trouble, try a soft reset. Quickly press and release the volume up button and down button and side down the side button. Press and hold it until the screen goes black and the Apple logo appears. Once the logo appears, slide down to force restart. If you are still having trouble, try a soft reset. Then once your phone restarts, check again for the image playground. If it's still missing, go back to the App Store, search for it and download. That's it. Hope this helps. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. See you next time.